I'm on a fantastic journey to look for the origins of life. I shall be travelling not only around the world, but back in time to try and build a picture of what life was like in that very early period. It will be a journey full of wonders. Parts of it were unknown until only a few years ago. In 50 years of programme making, I've been lucky enough to explore the living world in all its splendour and complexity. Using the latest technology, it's possible to bring those first animals to life for the first time in 500 million years. From the moment they appeared to the time that they took their pioneering steps on land, we can deduce how animals acquired bodies that moved, eyes that saw, and mouths that ate. As a schoolboy, I grew up near here, and in these rocks, a discovery was made that transformed our understanding of that mystery of mysteries, the origin of life.